Next question today, we have one from Jack. And again, Jack, I know, or at least I think Mrs. Hartley has been through it with you via email. But again, it's angles. It might be easier just to kind of show something on the page. And your question was a series of 4 different statements, and you have to tick them if you think that they are true, or just leave or cross them if you think they're not true. So let's go through them one at a time. And I've already gone through and I've tried to make examples to prove or disprove. So first of all, we have a right angle can be made of 2 acute angles. So if I can prove it's true, then I can tick it. And I've already done that. 2 acute angles here, one that's 30 degrees, one that's 60. That makes a right angle. So that one is definitely a tick. Next up, I think this is probably the hardest one. A reflex angle is always bigger than 2 obtuse angles put together. And they've said it's always bigger. So if I can find one example where it's not bigger, then I can say that this is not true. So I've just got to find one example. And that's what I've done here. So a reflex angle is always bigger than 2 obtuse angles. Well, here's 2 obtuse angles, 91 and 91. That would equal 182. But of course, a reflex angle can be 181. So it's not always bigger. It can be smaller than 2 obtuse angles. So no, that one is not true. There's 2 left. The third one was 2 obtuse angles can lie along a straight line. Well, if I draw a straight line and I draw any obtuse angle, immediately the one on the other side of it is going to be acute. So no, that one definitely isn't true. So I've crossed that one. And last of all, an acute angle and a reflex angle can add up to 360. It doesn't mean they all have to, it just says it can. An acute angle, which I've got here, 10 degrees, and a reflex angle, I've got one for 350 here, can add up to 360. And as we can see, yes, it can, and there'd be countless more examples of that. So yes, I can tick that one too. Okay, hope that's okay, Jack. Again, let me know on the comments, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.